Welcome back, guys. I'm KP from the KP and GenoJ show, and today I'm going to teach you how to measure for flooring. No matter what it is, if it's tile, laminate, vinyl, whatever, LVP, it doesn't matter. Carpet even. So the first thing you're going to need is a good tape measure, and you're going to want to measure from north to south and east to west to get your total square footage of this room. I've already pre-measured this room, and we know from north to south it's 13 linear feet, and from east to west it's 11 linear feet. So I multiply 13 by 11 and I get 143, which is my total square footage of flooring that I'm going to need for this room. So with that 143, you can take that number and buy all the LVP, tile, vinyl, whatever you need at per square footage. But when it comes to carpet, it's a little bit different. Carpet is sold and measured by the yard, and a yard is just 3 feet. So to get a square yard, you're going to multiply 3 by 3, which is 9. So we know this room is 143 square feet. To get the amount of carpet we're going to need, we divide that by 9, which is the formula I just told you, the 3 by 3. So 143 divided by 9 is around almost 16. You know you're going to need 16 square yards of carpet, padding, and any other material that you may need for this floor as far as pertaining to carpet. But the other flooring, tile, laminate, LVP, just simply 143 square feet.